Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Lexus GS300 Oil Light Easy Guide. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine and set the odometer to trip A. Press and hold the trip reset button until the display begins to flash and shows zeros or the maintenance light resets. Release the button and turn the ignition off, then start the car to confirm the oil light is cleared and the system is updated. If the oil light does not reset the first time, don't worry, try again calmly and methodically. Make sure you hold the trip reset for at least 10 seconds and verify the odometer reads trip before you start. If the dash display is flickering or the procedure fails, check the battery charge and connections, then retry the reset steps. If it still fails, a dealer or mechanic can run a quick diagnostic to confirm the system status. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future tips and easy car guides. Quick recommendation: I enjoy an e-reader for keeping service manuals and maintenance checklists handy. It makes following steps simpler on the go. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and consider grabbing one if you read a lot of manuals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Reset the oil reminder only after completing an oil change or proper maintenance, and always confirm fluid and filter changes were done. Never reset the light if the engine is showing a separate warning or odd noises, because that could mask a real problem. Keep a simple service log with the date and mileage to track intervals, and follow manufacturer-recommended service schedules so your Lexus runs reliably and maintains value for future use or sale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.